Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Strava. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your device. Once the app loads up and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find your profile icon. This is typically located in the upper corner and displays either your profile picture or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to access your account settings and personal information. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page where you can see your activity stats, photos, and various account details. Right below your profile icon at the top, you'll notice an option labeled Edit. This is the key to modifying your personal information on Strava. Click on this Edit button to enter the editing mode where you can make changes to your profile details. Once you click Edit, the interface will switch to an editable view where you can modify different aspects of your profile. Now you'll be able to see your first name and last name fields displayed on the screen. These are the fields you need to update. Click into each field and delete your current name, then type in your new first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear on your Strava profile. Make sure you double check the spelling before moving forward, as this is how your name will be displayed to other users and on your activity feed. After you've entered your new name and verified that everything looks correct, look for the Done button. This is usually located at the top or bottom of the editing screen. Click on Done to save your changes. Strava will process your update and apply the new name to your profile immediately. And that's it. Your name has been successfully changed on Strava and will now appear on all your activities and interactions within the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.